Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I would like to explain the new business proposal that was published by Cloud 2.0, and I will also explain how to manage this transition to the new what they call Cloud Social Venture Program if you want to stay, but I will also explain what step you have to undertake if you want to leave and want to get your initial investment back. So the new business proposal is explained in this PDF document, which is highly technological, as you can probably see, and that's why I would rather use the animation video that was published in the app to explain that new business proposal. But before you can see that video in your app, you have to migrate to the latest version of the app, right? And so far it's only available for Android phones, and this is how the interface will look like, right? But if you have an iPhone or using a iOS system, you will have to use the workaround to get the app, which is not a big deal, right? You can easily install BlueStacks, right? This is a Android emulator which you can install on your PC, and you can use the so-called APK file to install that app on BlueStacks, and you can find the APK file here in this channel. Well, by the way, anything you need to know about the new transition, about the new proposal, you can find here in this channel that you can find under Cloud Token News. So you just typed Cloud Token News in your Telegram search field, and you will find this channel here, right? So this app will not be published in the App Store because some of the members have reported Cloud as being not legit, blah blah, and that's why the App Store has removed the app from App Store, and this is kind of a routine procedure. If people report Cloud as not genuine, not legit, the App Store will just take the app down for a while until they complete their investigation, right? So for now, iOS users will have to use BlueStacks to get access to the newest version of the Cloud app, right? So I have installed BlueStacks on my computer, and I can just open it here. So this is my BlueStacks. If you want to install the new file, the new version, you just download the APK file. Oh man, that's a difficult word. You just download the APK file from the Cloud News channel, and all you have to do, you go to sorry, this is German, but this is saying installed apps. You click on those three dots right here, and then it will tell you to install the APK file, and then you just choose the APK file and install your app, right? Well, and then you just launch the app, and you do the login, right? And then you will see that video here, and you will have to watch it to the end, so you cannot skip it. You have to watch to the end before you can click next, right? So what is this video saying? We will just scroll up and have a look at that video. Here it is. So I will just launch it for you, right? So I will not watch it to the end with you. I will just take out the most important items. So the new Cloud 2.0. So Cloud will be migrating to what they call the new social venture network, right? And that will consist of three elements. So one will be Jarvis 2.0, which will no longer be a crypto arbitrage, crypto trading. It will be a data package, a data plan that members can subscribe to and can also refer people to it. The second item, this is still based on crypto trading. this is so-called Friday, and to participate in Friday you have to invest at least 1 million. So this is not really for average investors. This is for people with bigger pockets, let's say. And then the third element will be the merchant program, right? So let's first discuss Jarvis 2.0. So this is based on data, and members will be able to buy one of those 4 packages. So you can buy data, which is measured in gigabyte, right? So the first package is 1 gigabyte, and if you refer a person, a member to that package, you will also get 1 gig for free. And if your friend refers someone, you will get 500 megabyte. And to join this project, you have to invest at least $500, and that will be the maximum for new members. Old members can still invest more, and you will be able to invest in data tokens, which are convertible to CTOs that you can then convert and withdraw. This is at least the promise, right? Well, for now, all of this is a promise, right? There is no guarantee that this will happen, like explained here. So Jarvis 2.0 will also have a career system similar to Jarvis 1.0. So you will have ranks C0 to C5, and the total number of members and the total number of subscription value will determine your rank, right? So the more members you refer and the more subscriptions they buy, the higher your rank. Okay, so this is Jarvis 2.0, and Friday will have a slightly different approach, right? So if you want to invest, or if you are able to invest 1 million, you can participate in daily rewards through crypto trading, and your deposit will be locked up for 6 months, right? So you'll not be able to use your CTOs for 6 months. They will be sent to the OTC. The monthly revenue will be sent to the OTC. But if you want to have daily payouts, you will have to sign a contract with a lawyer, and basically pay him 50% of your earnings, and your earnings will be from 1 to 4% per month, right? Yep, and as I mentioned, if you sign a contract with a dedicated lawyer, you just pay 50% of your earnings, but you can have access to your rewards on a daily basis. Okay, that's the minimum investment amount, right? All right, merchant. Well, not sure how many of you guys are interested in the merchant program, but this is basically the terms and conditions. And I mean, if you are interested in the merchant program, you just can watch that video, and and see what the merchant program is offering. Okay, well, the last part of the video is basically explaining the process of what happens if you leave and what happens if you stay. And this is something we can discuss using the Telegram channel once again, because there is a summary of what we think will happen, right, if you stay or leave. And this is, by the way, the new interface. So once you log into the latest version of your app, this is what you will see. And we will go straight into the app in a few moments. One important thing to consider: if you leave cloud, you will no longer have access to your wallet, which is logical, right? The previous version the previous version of the app was allowing you to enter your CTO ERC20 address, right? Because for those people who want to leave, Cloud has developed or has created a Ethereum contract where all the CTOs will be sent to if people leave. So that will be a ERC20 version of that token. The original version of the token is Aura, as you might know. But for those people who want to leave, there is a special Ethereum contract that was designed to receive CTOs on external wallets. And there's also a instruction how to create this external wallet, right? Well, the challenge is that with the latest version of the app, there is no option to enter this CTO ERC20 wallet, right? So that's why it's highly recommended that before you leave, you transfer all your CTOs out of your wallet to someone who wants to stay, or you just create a new wallet where you don't choose the leave option, and you just keep those CTOs on this wallet, right? And that's very important, guys, because if you leave CTOs on your balance and you leave, it will all be lost, right? So that's why it's highly recommended that you send your CTOs to someone who is planning to stay. So and let me jump straight into the app. So this is what you will see when you log in into the newest version of the app, and you have to watch that video to the end, and then you just hit next, right? So, and now you will see the contract, and I really recommend you guys reading through the contract so you will have a full understanding of what you are signing or not signing, right? So, and well, we watched the video already, and this video is transcribed. This video is transcribed here. Wait a second. No, it's up. Oh, here it is. So this is what we understood will happen if you stay, right? So you will join Jarvis 2.0, and by the way, you will auto join it if you don't touch the contract, right? If you do nothing, you will join the new social venture network. So this is what will happen if you join Jarvis 2.0, right? You will be able to buy data, and you can refer data to other people and earn referral commissions. And with Friday, you will be able to participate in crypto arbitrage and to receive 1 to 4% monthly, right? And then this is what will happen if you join the merchant program. The promise is that you can use the CTOs in cloud, spend your CTOs in cloud travel, cloud prepaid, cloud redeem. And cloud redeem seems to work. I think it works in Singapore, that's for sure. And you can also buy cloud SIMs with your CTO, right? But if you leave, and this is important for those people that want to leave, you will be returned, and this is the promise. Again, this is the promise. You will receive your initial deposit back in 7 to 14 days, right? So you will be able to enter your BCT and Ethereum address, and this will be the address you will be sent the deposits to. Okay. One important thing to consider: if you've been using the re-entry feature to replenish or to start your trading bot using your CTOs, so those will not be returned back to you, right? So only your original investment where you used cryptocurrency, not CTO, will be returned back to you, right? So if you've been reinvesting with CTOs, this will not be returned to you. Okay? All right, so let's go back to the app. Where is it? Here it is. So you carefully read through the contract, and I will explain the leave option now, right? If you hit leave, right, you will see the second part of the contract that you have to accept. If you decline, you will go back to the previous page where you can then choose the stay option, because if you choose the leave option, you will get here, and here they explain, well, the same thing that we just discussed. They will return your initial investments after 7 to 14 days. Again, that's the promise. And then you just accept that contract, right? And then it will show you your current balance, right? It will show you your current balance in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, here you see nothing, because that account was using CTOs only to invest in Jarvis. So that's why you will see nothing, no balance here. But if you invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, it will show you your balance. And then you hit next, and it will ask you to enter your Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet. Well, guys, I cannot really demonstrate that, because in this account there were no investments with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Everything was done with using CTOs, right? But if you hit next, it will show you your reference number, right? It will show you your reference number that you can use to follow up on your case. So you can basically send this reference number to customer support, and they hopefully will tell you the status of your process, right? Of your case. Okay, so if you hit done, you will never enter. You will not be able to enter your account again. So you are gone, right? Well, that's basically it. This is how it works. Well, the stay option is a lot easier, right? So, and once again, the latest version for now, I mean, today is the 24th of January. The latest version is 2.0.16, and that version doesn't give you an option to enter your CTO ERC20 address. Well, that might change, and if this box appears again in the next version, you guys know how to create a new wallet using that new ERC20 contract for the CTO. And you can find the instruction here in this channel. You will also find a link to the channel down below. You will also find a link to our Telegram group where you can ask questions. And well, that's it for now. I hope that was easy to understand. And yeah, stay tuned. Bye.